friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. I have this cute little Dasavataram set at home. Here, sharing a very beautiful DIY project that you can make at home. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please do share with your friends and family. Do check out video description for all the links of the products that I have used to make this DIY. Now, without any delay, let's get started. If you know me, I like to create decor that is reusable, detachable and multi-purpose. This wood frame is a double-sided entryway decor. I am going to upcycle this wood base and create a beautiful wall decor. So I am creating minimal design on top of this frame so that I can use the same frame for multiple decorations at home. The Dasavataram set that I am using is Kondapalli style Dasavataram set, which has beautiful red, blue, white, green colors. This frame I am going to paint very minimal with some white paint and orange paint to the corners. And to the corners, create a simple high and low mandala dot design. I am going to do 2 coats of white color. After 2 coats, the paint was still visible. I ended up doing 4 coats of white paint. Painted orange to the corners. Here, to attach the idols to the frame and make them detachable, so that I can use this frame for any other decorations at home. Here I am using 1/2 inch magnets, painter's tape and hot glue. First, using a pencil, I am gonna mark where exactly I am gonna attach these idols. Here I am gonna attach some painter's tape to the back side of the idol. Add some painter's tape where I have marked the frame. Using some glue, I am gonna attach the magnets to the back side of the idol on top of the painter's tape. Similarly, I am going to attach 2 more magnets to the painter's tape that is attached to the wood base. These Dasavataram idols are lightweight, and using this technique, you can absolutely hang these idols without any issue, and you can reuse this frame for any other decorations at home. I am adding 3 layers of painter's tape. I have 2 magnets here. I am going to attach one here and one here. Use some glue. Here I mark the wood base. Similarly, I am going to add 3 layers of painter's tape. Here I am going to add some glue. Now I am attaching these magnets to this painter's tape. Gently press it down so that the magnets are attached to the painter's tape. Now if I want to remove the idol, I simply remove it. We have magnets here and we have magnets to the back side of the idol. If I want to place it, I'm going to just attach it and it's going to stay here. This technique using magnets and painter's tape to attach the idols will only work with lightweight idols. If you're using any heavyweight idols, this technique won't work. And this frame has been hanging on to my walls for almost 12 days now, and the idols are strongly connected to the wood frame with the help of the magnets.